Congratulations to you. And you did it all by yourselves. Nobody helped you. No, that's not. That's what I thought when I was young. She said, "Oh, you did it by yourself." He said, "If you only knew how many people that have been praying for you, how many prayer groups she put together, how many prayer cloths she gave me, how many times she splashed me with holy water." He said, "Boy, stop it right there and understand that to achieve these goals, you must apply discipline and consistency. In order to achieve your goals, you must apply discipline, which you have already done, and consistency every day, not just on Tuesday and miss a few days. You have to work at it every day. You have to plan every day. Hard work works. Working really hard is what successful people do. And in this text, tweet, twerk world that you've grown up in, remember, just because you're doing a lot more doesn't mean you're getting a lot more done. Movement with progress. So continue to strive, continue to have goals, continue to progress. Number 3, you'll never see a U-Haul behind a hearse. You can't take it with you. And it's not how much you have. It's what you do with what you have. The most selfish thing you can do in this world is help someone else. Because the gratification, the goodness that comes to you, the good feeling that I get from helping others, nothing's better than that. That's where the joy is, in helping others. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours. Each one, teach one. Don't just aspire to make a living.